Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wells Fargo mobile deposit on Android, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Wells Fargo app on your Android device. If you haven't installed the app yet, visit the Google Play Store and download it. Once the app is installed, launch it by tapping the icon. Enter your username and password to log into your Wells Fargo account. After logging in, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation drawer. Scroll down and select the Deposits option from the menu. Once you're in the Deposits section, tap on Mobile Deposit. If you haven't activated Mobile Deposit previously, you'll see a prompt to enroll. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enrollment process. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions presented. After agreeing, you will receive confirmation of your enrollment. Now you're ready to use Mobile Deposit. To make a deposit, return to the Mobile Deposit section. Click on Deposit a Check. Select the account where you want the funds to be deposited. Align the check within the camera frame and take a photo of the front and back. Ensure that the check is clear and readable in the images. Enter the amount of the check in the designated field. Review all the details to confirm they are accurate. Finally, tap Submit to complete your mobile deposit. You will receive a confirmation notification once the deposit is processed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.